Hey, Dan, have you got a sec?
Yeah.
Great, because the client's going to be here really soon. You know, we've got this amazing ad for the new ginger beer.
Yeah.
Playful, but rough, but also epic, but quite modest at the same time. Do you know what I mean? Great, so if I leave you, what, in about an hour? Is that enough time?
Oh. Well, it's not finished, but...
No, clearly. It needs to be more manly. Give him a beard.
A long beard or, you know, stubbly beard?
Yeah, long.
Like dwarf long?
No, not that long.
Okay.
Well, he's Mother Nature, but then he's also like Father Nature as well.
Asexual.
Ooh, maybe we should add some wolves. No, whoa. That's, no, not a whole pack.
So...
Do you know what? I was right. We do. We need a whole pack of wolves. Hang on.
I suggest...
Oh, Kim. What do you think? Check it out.
Wow, really raw. Nice work. Okay. From a strategy perspective, though, millennials are 58% more engaged when there's a kitten in the advert, so can we work that in somehow? Oh, by the way, the client is here.
Kittens don't work. What about a baby bear?
Yeah, whatever, thank you.
Just a baby bear there. Baby bear there. Right there. Baby bear.
All right, okay.
Okay, 2 pixels to the left.
Okay.
2 pixels to the left. Bigger, 10% bigger.
All right.
Stop. Perfect. Stop.
Yeah?
Yeah. Great. Done. What if the bear had a little bit more personality?